Today, I'm going to show you 23 Tesla accessories under $50, each with versions for all Tesla models, including the old and the new Tesla Model 3 and Model Y. If you see something you like, you can grab it down below in the video description by clicking the More button. You'll also find them at accessoriesfortesla.com, along with thousands more cool Tesla accessories. Let's get right into it with number 1. Initially, your Tesla's center console may be an open space, but with this insert, you can transform it into a discrete storage area. This secret compartment lets you hide valuable items, deterring potential thieves securely. While it may take some time to be evident to intruders, its inconspicuous design makes it less likely to be targeted than more obvious storage areas like the glove box. By adding this accessory, you'll have peace of mind knowing your belongings are safely tucked away in your Tesla. So this is Spiegen's Tesla screen protector. It comes in two versions, one crystal clear and the other with the anti-glare matte finish, which is what I have on my Tesla. Both are made from real tempered glass with 9/8 hardness. The cool thing about it is it installs perfectly using their easy fit tray. Simply put your screen in cleaning mode, clean the screen with the included cleaning wipe and dust remover, peel off the backing, and then place the tray onto your Tesla screen and slide your finger across. After 30 seconds, remove the sticker and take off the tray. And that's it. The screen protector is on perfectly. And as you can see, it's perfectly aligned and looks completely OEM. I've had mine on since 2021 and it's flawless. I always recommend a screen protector as a must-have accessory, and this one is the best out. I take my Tesla on multiple road trips, and one thing I can't go without is these super comfortable neck headrests exclusively designed for Tesla vehicles. They're comfortable and support your driving posture. They're made of soft, eco-friendly vegan leather and have adjustable memory foam inserts. They come in white or black, which matches Tesla's OEM seats. They're easy to clean with a cloth and mild soap, and are easily one of the best Tesla accessories on this list. And I recommend picking up a pair for any Tesla driver who does long commutes. Get 20% off these using my code MikeSeuss20 via the link in the description. The refreshed Model 3 has a new center console, but one thing that it hasn't fixed is a way to organize your items. That's where these center console organizers come in for the front and back sections of the center console. For the front, just place the tray and now you have a place to neatly store your things. You can slide it forward to reveal the bottom section to store even more stuff. For the back part, just place the tray and now you have another section to organize your items. It's a simple solution to keep your new Tesla tight. This one is something extremely simple but so useful at the same time. This is the car air freshener adapter. This little adapter solves a big problem for most people. Tesla's air vents are unique, hidden in this minimalistic strip across the dashboard. The vents are cool and work well with genius technology, but the problem is when it comes to using an air freshener that installs into the air vents of most cars, it's pretty much impossible on a Tesla. This adapter lets you install the popular Febreze car air fresheners into your Tesla with ease. Just peel off the backing and stick them into your air vent. Then you can plug the Febreze car air freshener into the adapter and make your Tesla smell great. Here's a small accessory that can give some more functionality. The grocery bag hook is attached to this screw in your Tesla's trunk and lets you hang bags to prevent your items from rolling around and getting damaged while driving. Not much else to say about this one except the link is in the description. Another essential accessory for Tesla owners is the garbage bag holder, offering convenience and cleanliness during long road trips. Crafted from high-quality material with a leather-like feel, this holder easily slides into the back pocket of your front seat. Equipped with magnetic closure and LED lights, it provides effortless access and visibility, even at night. Insert a trash bag and dispose of waste on the go, making it an indispensable addition to your Tesla from the outset. Once you experience its practicality, you'll wonder how you ever traveled without it. Now this may just be me because I'm short, but the seatbelt height adjustment doesn't go low enough to prevent the seatbelt from rubbing against my neck, which makes it really uncomfortable while driving. That's why I bought this simple seatbelt cover that's made from a breathable foam wrapped in a soft polyester material to prevent the seatbelt from digging into my neck. I chose the red color to go along with something special I'm doing to my Tesla's interior in a future video, so make sure you guys subscribe and stay tuned for that. But they also come in a bunch of other colors as well. With it being relatively inexpensive, it's definitely something you might want to get for your Tesla as well. If you're interested in this, the link is also down in the description. For Tesla owners looking to protect their vehicle's interior from sun fading and keep it looking sleek, the 303 Aerospace Protectant is a must-have. This UV protectant can be easily sprayed on the dashboard and all interior trim, creating an extra layer of defense against sun damage while maintaining a deep, dark finish. Not only does it safeguard against UV rays, but it also cleans the surfaces, making it a convenient all-in-one solution. With its clear, mess-free application, this protectant is one of the best options, ensuring your Tesla stays in pristine condition for years. I hope you guys are enjoying these accessories so far. Remember, everything you see is linked down in the video description below, so grab it while it's hot and let's continue. While we're at the rear, I want to show you this silicone license plate frame. Not only does it add personality and match the black exterior trim on your Tesla, but it also helps protect your Tesla's paint from your metal license plate rubbing against it and reduces rattling when rocking out on the 17-speaker sound system. It's inexpensive and a must-have in my opinion. Another way to protect your Tesla is by adding mud flaps. I don't mean big, chunky mud flaps, I mean these low-profile mud flaps. I've been using mud flaps since I got my old Tesla in 2021, and trust me, they're worth it. Firstly, they keep the side and rear of your Tesla free of paint wear from rocks and other road debris. Second, they install easily without any drilling needed. Just clip them on and go. If you look at any Tesla without mud flaps, you'll immediately notice the damage. Prevent that with these bad boys. Since the refreshed Tesla has a rear screen, it's a good idea to get Spigen's rear screen protector as well, especially if you have kids or lots of passengers. It has all the same features as the other screen protector, including glass or matte finish. Speaking of keeping your car clean, you can add some additional protection by getting a pair of cup holder inserts. These silicone inserts slide into your cup holder and let you fit different size cups or bottles, keeping them snug in place. The cup holders also lock into place so they don't come up when pulling out your cup or bottle. If you spill something, the cup holder protects your cup holders and makes cleaning much easier. They're inexpensive and are a must-have Tesla upgrade. So the first thing is this cup holder right here. It might look like a regular cup holder, which it is. It's pretty cool. The cool thing about it is it goes into your cup holder, right? And it has this little knob on there. And if you spin it, it makes it tight enough to stay in the cup holder without spilling out. But the cool thing is, since we have food, it's also a tray to eat on. And you just take this tray and slide it in. And now if you have a passenger, they have a tray to eat their food on. There you go. So you got another cup holder in there and you're able to eat the food on the tray. And it's also cool because you can spin this tray around. There you go. So if I want to eat, I can use it also while driving. I can have my food here and you see it's sitting there. It's nice and sturdy. It doesn't move and it's really cool. You see that one? Now I'm the driver and I need something also. So that is where we have this steering wheel tray. And it's really simple. All you're going to do is turn your steering wheel upside down, put this tray here. It locks into place, very sturdy, doesn't move. And now I can also eat my food on my tray while we're sitting in the parking lot. Pretty cool, guys. Definitely go check these out if you want these on your road trip. Speaking of armrests, I also got this center console armrest cover to not only add a little bit more comfort, but to also add some protection and more of a luxury feel to my Tesla. This cover simply slides over the center console armrest with elastic bands for a perfect fit, and it prevents it from moving. It's made from a memory foam wrapped in fake leather with a stitch design to add little diamond pillows. And I can say it's very comfortable and has a premium feel. It's a simple add-on that makes a big difference when it comes to comfort. If you're interested, you can get this using the link in the description as well. A must-have accessory you need to keep in your Tesla at all times are these jack plug adapters. If you ever need to jack up your car to change a tire or get underneath your car, you're going to need these to prevent the jack from damaging or puncturing the battery. The pucks click into a special hole, allowing you to safely jack your car. If you ever go to a tire shop, you'll see they have these same pucks ready to be used on Tesla vehicles. Tesla's spacious glove box can quickly become cluttered without proper organization. The Glovebox Organizer offers a simple yet effective solution, providing compartments for storing essentials like emergency supplies, documents, and personal items. With its easy-to-install design and durable construction, this organizer keeps the glove box tidy and maximizes storage space. Tesla owners can enjoy the convenience of having everything neatly organized and easily accessible whenever needed. The 2024 Model 3 Refresh features a larger truck, which makes it easier to get disorganized. If you want to keep things tidy back there, you can get this trunk organizer, which features multiple pockets and dividers for storing items securely. It's completely waterproof to hold in spills and has a collapsible design for easy storage when not in use. Check it out via the link in the description. Did you know you can protect your door pockets as well? Just like the cup holder inserts, these silicone inserts go inside your front and rear door pockets to keep them protected from spills and dirt buildup. At some point, your door pockets will get dirty and hard to clean and vacuum. With these, you can simply pull them out, give them a good rinse, and put them back in. And since the material is soft, you don't have to worry about scratching items when placed inside. You can never have enough microfiber cloths since they come in handy and can be used for anything. I always keep a bunch stored in my Tesla for things like keeping my screen clean, wiping my mirrors, and cleaning up messes. And I even use them to clean my glasses when I need them for driving at night. You can get these in a pack of 24 all the way up to a pack of 144. The last Tesla accessory I want to show you today is this windshield cover. Depending on the weather, it can either keep your Tesla cool or warm by blocking sunlight or insulating the inside. It's compact and easy to store since it folds up into this little circle and has its own carrying case. It's a must-have for those hot summer days when keeping your car parked outside. The link is in the description. And there you have it, 23 Tesla accessories under $50. Did you see anything you like? Remember, all the links are in the description. Just click on the More button. Let me know in the comments if you picked anything up or if there's something I didn't mention that you found under $50. If you enjoyed this content, make sure to give this video a like and consider subscribing to the channel for more Tesla content like this video. Until next time, peace.